Disclaimer. This video was recorded by a professional at TechZen Tech. In order to do this job, you need 30 years of experience and a master's degree. If you don't have these things, your PC may blow up spontaneously, so be aware. If you haven't noticed already, this is completely satire. Enjoy the video.
What's up, Taxi Tech crew? I'm showing you guys how to install DDR5 RAM on AM5 motherboard. So what you want to do is check which is the main slots you need for dual channel, and it's the two gray ones on this specific motherboard. You want to line up the notch, make sure everything is straight, and you want to hear a click on both sides. Just like that. Just push down firmly. Don't be scared. It's not going to break. Make sure you have something that's stabilizing it so your motherboard don't bend or flex. You want to do the same thing with this one. Line it up and press it down. Once you hear those clicks, you're all good. If you like this video, guys, leave a like and subscribe. Peace.